people, it's me again. Yeah. It's a late start. Very late start to a vlog. But I just got off of work a couple hours ago. I took a nap because I'm old. And it's 5:40 p.m. right now. And we have a special guest today. Coming all the way from Toronto, Canada. Wait. Yeah, Canada.
Canada.
It's Lily Saint-Pierre. How are you feeling?
I feel good, and you?
Good.
Nice.
So she wants to eat Filipino food surprisingly today. Very surprised for this. She wants to eat Filipino food. She actually likes longanisa. If you know what that is, they're the little sausages. I'll put it up here. It's a little sausage. It's pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna go, and actually we're gonna try to look for some video games too, because I need to get the power cord for this. And I also want to get a Dreamcast or a PS2. But it has to be for the right price though, because I'm not gonna pay no $250 for some old. It's a nice evening here in LA. It's kind of late though, but we gotta go. We gotta get going. Ready? Ready?
No. I'm ready.
All right, so we're here. We're in the wonderful city of Koreatown. Is that considered a city? No, right? It's like a little... Not sure, but... We are here.
Access granted.
Yeah! So that wasn't what I expected it to be. They didn't really have that much selection there. And the lady's really nice though.
Oui.
Okay, do you want to eat now?
Yeah, what?
You want to eat or continue looking for the video game?
I'm hungry. But if we eat now, I know around 10 you will be again hungry. I know you like my pocket.
Your pocket?
Pocket.
Pocket?
Pocket.
Pocket. Smells like weed.
Oh, you stop that. Go.
She thinks weed is brought from the devil. Don't know if that's a European thing or they think weed is horrible, but...
You know what we can tell? Can we buy after ube trileche? It's a long time.
Ube tres leche?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a long time.
We're here at Neri's. Never been here before.
I want to
Casual Filipino dining,
I want
yeah.
to say 1 month ago, I never eat this. So I do the effort.
Yeah. What do you want, man?
Lumpia, noodles, rice, dinungguan, crispy dinungguan, beef bulalo, adobo. What the fuck?
What am I gonna choose? What's going on, everybody? It is Saturday. I'm gonna try to say this fast because there's music being played in the background, but we're running around right now trying to sell clothes.
Lily's clothes. We got some Burberry. We got some Versace. We got some Givenchy. I think it's Givenchy.
A bunch of random things, but yeah. We're gonna eat In-N-Out after this. So this is Wasteland on Melrose. They ended up not taking any of these clothes. We actually went down the street to another store called The Real Real, and they ended up taking it all. We haven't eaten anything yet, so we decided to stop by In-N-Out. In-N-Out is the best burger period in this entire world. I don't care what anybody says. In-N-Out is the life. I wonder why he's yelling. All right, so we're at another game store, video game store. It is called Game Realms. What are we looking for, Beth?
A Wii game.
So we left with a couple things, but we're still missing. What are we missing?
Mario Party.
Mario Party. We're missing the colored plugs. I think they're called AV plugs. I completely forgot what that stuff's called. So the guy that actually worked here, the guy that works here said to go check out a place called Game Dude, which is in NoHo, North Hollywood. We're about to go head over there right now. All right, we're at destination number 2. This place is called Game Dude. Dope ass name. Game Dude, video games, used DVDs. Wait, used video games, DVD, movies, buy and sell, slide through, baby. Damn, dude, Sega. It's crazy to see all these games still in boxes like this. If you had an Xbox when it first came out, then you know all about this game. Project Gotham Racing. Alright guys, so I'm in a dilemma right now. I don't know whether or not I should buy a PS2 or a Dreamcast. I don't have that many games for Dreamcast, that's the thing. We'd have to go to another store. Let me make some phone calls. Hold on. They even test the games here for you before you buy them, which is dope. Alright, we just left Game Dude. Shout out them. Came out with a couple other stuff. I'm not gonna show anything until we actually get to the house. But damn, the Corvette's looking real nice. Ooh, baby. We're actually going to another car meet tonight. Sexy. All right, we're at the final store. Finally, we're at a place called Retro Respawn Video Games. It's crazy because these places are only about 10 minutes away from each other, which makes it hella easier for me to run around and get what I need to do. Dude, the amount of games for a PlayStation. Okay, I think I'm gonna get a PS2, dude, because there's way more things to play.
I picked this and said, oh my god.
Okay, this store is pretty dope. got a bunch of stuff here. More stuff. You can play an Xbox right there. Alright, so I need to get WWF SmackDown. Oh, they have it. I'm sold, dude. Just bring it. Oh, yeah. That's it. Yeah. Yep, I'm sold. Getting a PS2. Fuck it. Hello, everybody. I don't know how dark it is in here, the lighting, but so we got Nintendo Wii with the controllers, AV cable. We got the AC adapter. This is what you need for the new TVs. The AV to HDMI. So the dude at Game Realms gave me this for free. An HDMI cord. Pretty dope. Shout out to the guy. All this right here was 40, 20, 10, so 40, 60, 70. About almost 100 bucks. 100 bucks for all this, right? Now, games for the Wii that we got today. Got Wii Sports, Super Smash Bros, Super Mario Bros, Donkey Kong Country. You get anything else? Mario Party 8. I've never played this game before. My girl says it's dope, but it looks lit. So on the Wii, we have spent 100 bucks on just the system itself. Plus this. What is that total again? 140? So 240? 240 for everything. Let's just call it 240. I could be wrong. I don't know. But 240 for all this. It's lit. Debating between a Dreamcast or PS2, right? The thing is with the Dreamcast, the games are really expensive. And it's hard to get. Like, what is it, Jet Set Radio? It's super hard to get. Power Stone 1 and 2, extremely hard to get. So the guy at the cash register was like, dude, you might as well get a PS2. This PS2 got a bunch of games, and it's never ending. So, we got a fat PS2. Not the slim, the original fat one. Who knows where this came from, dude? It's crazy to think that way. It's also wild how bulletproof these things are. We got Budokai 2, Tekken 4, Street Volume 1. My Street Volume 2 is at my mom's house. I gotta go get it. And plus, they didn't even have Street Volume 2 over there. This, many hours have been spent playing this game in the 5th grade. I'll never forget this. And this, SmackDown. Came with one controller. One memory card, dope. AV cables. PS2 was $110. The games, $10, $15, $20, and a $35 game for the Wii. So altogether, we spent $383. $383 for all this right here. Oh yeah, by the way, after this, we're actually gonna go to a car meet in a little bit. That's gonna be at 9, so we can play a little bit. See how this is, man. I'm excited.
346 minutes later.
Light as shit right now. We are in Mexico. This is all shot from an iPhone, just because the GoPro does not like to record at night without the flashlight. We didn't stay too long at this meet. There's another one about 20 minutes away, so we decided to go to that. So we're here at another car meet. It's called Midnight What's this called again? I always be forgetting what these things are called. I went to this last time. Midnight Sakudu. So yeah, we out here. It's in Rosemead. Pretty dope. There's a lot of people here. And I like how there's lighting. What do you think, Beth?
Look good. More.
Yeah.
More.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not bad.
Aussi des mini stylés.
Yeah. You like it? I like this location better.
Yeah.
It's a lot better than the last one. Last one was dark. Damn, look at this dumped ass Tesla, bro.
It's not Tesla. What the fuck?
Super dumped. Yo, so today, it's Sunday now. We are headed to Rose Bowl flea market. Never been there before. Kind of late, but we'll be all right. So we're looking for furniture, video games, furniture, and furniture. So this flea market's once a month. Never been, it's the first time, so like I said, I need to get like some furniture stuff. Whatever I see is dope, honestly. And hopefully they take it out because I ain't got no cash on me. Are you clean yet? Yeah, you are. So we're back. We are at Al Antico. I don't even know how to say this, but if you watched our other vlog, which I don't know how I'll do it, but I'll link it right here. We've actually eaten here once or twice now, 3 times. Bomb ass Italian sandwiches.